Imagine that you are in middle of a traffic and listening these kinds of sounds. How do you? You don't feel good. You are feeling disturbed or very bad. So, such unpleasant sounds are called as noise. The word noise is derived from nausea, which means sickness. So, they noise make us not feel good. If we are in noise, we feel irritated, not good, and headache is there. So, it is a very considered as a common pollutant in today's life. Noise pollution is a common menace caused by us. It refers to the excessive levels of sound in the environment that are disturbing and injurious too. It not only affects us, but it affects other organisms as well, both physically and mentally. So we need to see what are the causes of such pollution and how we can reduce them. Noise around us comes from various sources like road traffic, jet planes and trains, construction factories or buildings, or loudspeakers, burning of crackers during festivals or weddings, or from television, music system and radios. So this noise is not good for everybody. It disturbs people, and especially to the old and the small children it is very dangerous. For the patients also it is not good. If we are under this for much time, it may cause hearing impairment, loss of night vision, brain tissue may get affected, heart attack will be there, rise in anger, headache, high blood pressure will be there, you will not be able to concentrate. So many other effects is there. So there is a need to control this pollution. Like, you should penalize, means put penalty on the vehicles who are exceeding the noise pollution. You should restrict the use of loudspeakers in public areas. Meeting and gatherings should be held without causing disturbance to others. We should create silent zones near hospitals, schools and homes of senior citizens. Use of explosives in mining and construction sites should be properly monitored. And what we can do? We can keep the volume of the mobile phone, television, radio, etc. low. Do not play loud horns or loud music at homes, or we should not burst the crackers. Okay, so we shouldn't what you can say, we should be cautious so that we are not making more sound. So now the chapter is finished. Let's see the test yourself of page number 73. Drum is a striking source of sound. Sound can be produced by vibrations. Music always gives a pleasant effect. Brain tissue may get damaged by noise. Sound is a form of energy. The word noise is derived from the word nausea. Noise pollution victim can suffer from loss of concentration and light travels faster than sound. Then see page number 72, fill in the blanks. Sound is a form of energy. Sound can travel through different medias like solid, liquids and gas. The sense organs that help us to hear the sound in everyday life is ear. Sound unpleasant to ears are called noise. Sound which is pleasant is created by regular or rhythmic vibrations. Then let's see the true and false. Sound cannot be produced by vibration, that will be false. Unpleasant sounds is called noise, not music, so that will be false. Clarinet is a plucking instrument, that is false. This is clarinet, so it's definitely not a plucking instrument. Noise causes nausea, that is true. Sound can travel through air, that is also true. So last two are true and rest are false. Then match the following. Unpleasant sound, that will be noise. Plucking instrument, sitar. Violin is a bowing instrument. Striking instrument is drum. And pleasant sound is music. Then answer the following questions. What is sound? So you need to define sound. So sound is a form of energy produced by vibrations. How is sound produced? Sound is produced by vibrations. What is a pleasant sound? I have defined, I think. What is noise pollution? Here you have to define the noise pollution. See here, it is clearly written. Then write an experiment to show sound produced by vibrations. You will go to this one, page number 70, and write the activity full. Then differentiate between music and noise. I have given. What are the sources of noise pollution? You will write the different sources of noise pollution. Any 5 points you will write. Ill effects also 5. And control effects are also 5. Then give examples of pleasant and unpleasant sounds. See the video, I have given many examples. Write any 3. 3 for each. What are the various causes of noise pollution? You need to mention the causes. Again, sources and causes are common. So, you combine these two questions and write in one. Then give examples of plucking, bowing and striking musical instrument given in the first page. And you need to write from there.